I've popped into Dollar Tree with my daughter actually looking for poppets, and look at this. So these are new to me. I have not seen them anywhere else unless they've been selling out really fast. Quite a few new items here for Halloween that I haven't seen before. This is the first time, so there are these and the spiders. Just so cute. Alright, so this year I am completely obsessed with the ghosts, the boos, everything. What is your theme this year? Do you find that you change themes? Like sometimes you're into the skeletons, or I don't know. This year I'm just feeling the little ghosts. There's little skeleton heads in pink. Some really cute things here. These are really well done, and at first glance I thought they were glass, but after grabbing one they're actually plastic, which is okay because it's safer as a decoration, but these are all plastic. And I really like these as well, even as a piece of decor or to fill with treats. These are massive plastic pieces. I'm not really sure what you would do with them. There's some new essential oils here as well. Oh, there is more fall stuff that keeps showing up. I thought it was over for us, but here we are with a little acorn, a maple leaf, and look, there's even a pumpkin. This is so awesome. There's some scarecrows and some other painting kits. Look at this one here. You can use it as like little table seating pieces. The little orange lanterns or candle holders, and some other ones here. Alright, so this is amazing because I was hoping to find some pink and champagne kind of colored, but I need smaller ones, so I'm gonna go take a look on the other side because there's more Christmas stuff here. I got lucky. I just brought this box from above, so these two are definitely coming home with me. I'm gonna check the other box, but I'm so happy to find these pink balls. Forget who mentioned that permanent vinyl was just put out at the store, so I want to say thank you so much. If I find your little comment, I will post it here. But look at all the colors. This is all wonderful for the Cricut machine. Has anyone used this stuff? How do you like it? These are new this year and they're really large. They're not as small as the ones in previous years. They're so well done. Just coming to look at some of the baking supplies, and I spotted these. And my daughter spotted these, so I had to share them as well. Okay, so more crafts things. The boning tool is one of my favorites, so I'm glad to see that it's still being replenished, I guess, and there's some of the numbers, which is good for Christmas time. And I'm just gonna, oh, look at this. These are new. I haven't seen these large containers before. Has anyone found the ball launcher and tried it? Does it secure the ball properly? Also wanted to point out, if you ever have a chance to use this product, Armor All is fantastic. It's really expensive everywhere else. There's glass cleaner, rim cleaner, the all multi-purpose, and they even have a spray wax. Not all the stores have the same amounts, but these are cute covers. This is made by Sally Hansen, sorry, and they're the Salon Effects. How neat is that? Bamboo toothbrush. I actually need some more black hair elastics, but I don't see the ones that I typically like using. These are cute little pouches. I like these types of scrunchies, but I need all black. They're just soft in your hair, so when you toss them up, they don't, break it or anything like that. Look, some tie-dye things and hair accessories. Lots of plastic bracelets or rubber ones. Does anyone recognize this brand or line? I don't see a price or anything on here. Sometimes there's a little price, but I don't think these are standard at Dollar Tree, and there's all these different colors. So if anyone knows the value of them, maybe comment down below, or if you've seen where they're from. This black printed hat, the material would be great for a DIY. I'm just contemplating if it would be enough. Lots of soaps here. They have the Dove, Zest, and even the Yardley. I don't know if this is new, but the packaging at least looks new to me. Maybe it's the same brand as the cylinder, but I like the rectangular look. It's the square look, I guess. It just looks more high-end. It's totally like being on a scavenger hunt at Dollar Tree. This is new. I've never seen this product on the shelf before. These are also new, coconut oil infused microfiber hair towels, a little bit different than these ones here, but the same brand. And then this is different as well. It's like a bath cloth. These are a new find. They're the Lay's in the stack container, and there's cheddar and salt and vinegar. That's the only two that I've found. Ooh, some new Kitkats. I'm actually surprised that these aren't all gone, unless they were just put out, but they're wonderful for cookies. And I love these little cups. I just don't know what I would do with them, but I like the print. I think they're so sweet. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me. I didn't film as much. I tried to catch kind of the quick things that I did see that was new to me. I was with my daughter, so we were kind of having a little bit more one-on-one time. Until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed walking through with me. Bye for now.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turned.